Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, November 10, 2020 on our channel. Williams Roll and Blast Chiller WTBC 70. Your Board of Trustee election results. John Mackirdy installs carrier Transicold Vector He19 mount unit on first double-deck trailer. DSI has opened the freezing test center. Emerson launched a new line of Copeland scroll compressors for the refrigerant R32. Americold Realty Trust announces acquisition and development activity totaling million. Southeast Asia, SEA, freezer and beverage cooler market. So, first news today. Williams Roll and Blast Chiller WTBC 70. Williams' latest roll and blast chiller, the WTBC 70, is designed to accept 20-rack GN11 combi oven trolleys. Now Williams has upgraded the unit to offer even more flexibility, since it can accept no less than 3 different types of trolley, including the model for the new Rational iCombi Pro. The WTBC 70 blast chiller is the largest roll-in cabinet in the Williams range, as well as accepting the new Rational trolley, 60. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Your Board of Trustee election results. Congratulations to John Ellis and John Skelton, who were elected to your Board of Trustees at your AGM last week, 5th of November 2020. There had been 6 candidates for the 2 vacancies, with the election carried out online and results announced at the first virtual AGM attended by over 30 people on 5th November. The outgoing President Kevin Glass thanked all 6 candidates for standing in the elections and welcomed the new board members who take up their role as trustees immediately, as well as thanking the 2 existing board members, Rob Lamb and John Austin Davis, whose term on the board has now finished. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. John Mackirdy installs carrier Transicold Vector He19 mount unit on first double-deck trailer. John Mackirdy Limited has taken delivery of a new carrier Transicold Vector He19 mount, multi-temperature, refrigeration unit, mounted to the company's first ever double-deck trailer. The new asset is designed to increase fleet efficiency and improve sustainability across the business. The new 13.6-meter double-deck, manufactured by Gray & Amp, Adams, joins John Mackirdy's 10-strong mixed commercial vehicle fleet, which includes 2 standard refrigerated trailers mounted with Vector 1950 mount units and 1 12-ton rigid with a carrier Transicold Super 450 unit. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. DSI has opened the freezing test center. DSI offered to gain new insight about your product at its new plate freezing test center. You can optimize your existing plate freezing operation or to test plate freezing as an efficient alternative to alternative freezing processes. The company has combined freezing technology and its patented core point measurement system with software to measure and analyze data. This makes available to analyze your product for production optimizing purposes. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Emerson launched a new line of Copeland scroll compressors for the refrigerant R32. Emerson has launched a new line of Copeland scroll compressors for commercial comfort applications designed for the refrigerant R32. The new compressor range will help manufacturers meet requirements from the Eco-Design Directive and the F-gas phase-down. Meeting regulations, including higher efficiency levels and lower GWP refrigerant capability in products, presents a challenge for our customers, said Maurizio Boldrini, Director Commercial Comfort Marketing for Emerson. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. Americold Realty Trust announces acquisition and development activity totaling million. Americold Realty Trust announced that it has acquired South Plainfield, New Jersey-based Halls Warehouse Corporation, Halls, for million. Americold also announced 2 expansion projects, including a build-to-suit expansion in Arkansas for a top-tier customer and an expansion of the company's existing Calgary facility, which was acquired earlier in the year with the acquisition of Nova Cold, for million and million, respectively. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.